How do you stay on track, decide what to do next, figure out what needs to happen to bring the project to the finish line? Everyone knows having a schedule is helpful, but how do you even make one? Where to start? I have a very simple approach, and I think it is as simple as it gets. I open Gmail and just start listing down the main jobs that needs to be done. This way, I don't have to worry about making a Word or Excel document or naming a file or saving a file or formatting. Once I figure out the basic outline, I transfer this information to Notion and map the scope of work on the timeline and start thinking about time. But how do you think about time? How do you plan time? The classic approach is begin with the end in mind. You first set the completion date, define the outcome, and then you try to pack all the necessary steps between now and the finish date. But then things eventually delay, eventually takes longer than expected, and you constantly course correct, adjust time and activities on the fly, constantly trying to close the gap between your initial set of assumptions and reality. There is this famous Eisenhower quote: plans are worthless, but planning is essential.